At this little Bay Harbor residence in Sawgrass Country Club, our goal was simple: elevate the tropical character of the home while creating a cleaner, more sustainable, and lower maintenance outdoor living environment. Following one of the harshest winters we've experienced in years, significant plant dieback made it the right time for a complete refresh. We began with a full tear-out of the existing perimeter beds around the home and garage, giving us a clean slate to rebuild the landscape properly from the ground up. Before installing any new materials, we addressed the foundation of the project, regrading key areas, removing tree stumps, and excavating for a new drainage pipe to improve water management. From there, we introduced two angled paver patios, one welcoming guests at the front entry and another enhancing functionality at the rear garage entrance. Coquina boulders were integrated into the bed designs as natural focal points and borders, reinforcing the coastal aesthetic. The planting palette includes pygmy date palms, shell ginger, kunti palms, bird of paradise, crinum lilies, bottle brush, fountain grasses, and layered tropical textures. Even though the homeowner was not on site during installation, she stayed closely involved through daily progress updates, allowing us to fine-tune the details and deliver exactly what she envisioned. While many properties in Ponte Vedra Beach are still recovering from winter damage, this home is already ahead, refreshed, resilient, and designed to thrive for years to come. At Rockaway Sustainable Landscaping, we don't just install landscapes. We build outdoor environments that perform, endure, and elevate the way you live.